Hi, my name is Tanner Dory. I'm a service rider here at Switchback Motorsports. Kind of the bottleneck we run into pretty much every season is snow flies. Snow starts building up in the mountains and everyone brings their sleds in and, then the shop's pretty crazy and, you're a few weeks on getting your sled back and you're missing out on that riding. Now is a great time if you think about it. Swing your sled by. Like to do our pre-season services here. Give a good look over your sled, make sure she's got good fuel plugs in it, ready to go, clutches, checking your track, all that kind of stuff. Things that you don't want to get her out of the trailer and be 50 feet into your first ride and having issues. A lot of people, they haven't changed their fuel out. We're going to get it in the shop where the pros are at. Look everything over, whether we're doing an inspection, a service, or we're installing other stuff for you. And then any issues we see, we're going to do an estimate on that. That way there's no surprises. Just peace of mind knowing your sled's ready for the season. We take a lot of pride in the mechanics we have back there. Might sound biased coming from me, but I'm not exaggerating when I say I have over 100 years of experience in that shop on whether sleds, side-by-sides. Get in here to Switchback Motorsports and let us get you taken care of before the season starts and you're missing out on that kind of prime riding time. So yeah, look forward to seeing you guys.